Hit me. What do we got?
We give you boats.
I love it. What's the pitch?
They're boats that talk.
You're adorable. Isn't she adorable?
She is, sir.
Now, we don't have a story yet, but the poster is testing through the roof.
Well, it looks like we have another winner on our hands. Okay, let's go around the table. I want to break this before my tee off at noon. Who's our bad guy?
Do boats even have enemies?
Barnacles, icebergs,
Other boats?
water.
Water, that's good. Yes, they can't get away from water.
Unless they're on land.
Boats on land that want to be in the water.
Like a dry dock.
Exactly. There could be a social divide.
No. Too deep. No. Let's keep it broad.
Seaweed.
What about it?
I'm not sure yet.
Will there be people in the boats?
Too suggestive. What else?
How about a race? Boats race.
I like that. Yes, and all the boats will have sponsors like they do in NASCAR.
2 words. Product placement.
Obviously. That's why I said it.
This thing is gonna make so much money.
Boatloads.
Well, I'll tell you what. When we make $100 million opening weekend, I'm gonna buy all you sons of bitches boats. Except for you, Johnson.
I know I'm new here, but aren't we getting a little ahead of ourselves?
What do you mean?
Yeah, what are you talking about? This is gold.
Maybe. I just think we should talk about the characters before we get into product placement, don't you think? Shouldn't we come up with the good story first?
All right, you want a story? I'll give you a story. We start on a cute little sailboat. And guess what his name is?
Franklin.
Bernie.
Christian.
Jib.
Oh.
Jib wants to compete in the big race, but all the other boats tell him he can't do it.
Because they're speedboats.
With sponsors.
But he does it anyway.
Exactly.
And during the race, he gets in trouble, so his father sails in to save him, but he gets hit by one of the speedboats and sinks. Jib sees the whole thing. It's tragic.
Heartbreaking.
Then what?
Then he sails off, vows never to race again. Until one day, he does.
And?
He wins.
How?
Courage.
Hot damn! I love it. Okay, let's get this gold mine on paper and call it a day.
Hold on, wait a minute. He literally just described the plot for The Lion King. All he did was switch out the lions with boats. You guys see that, right?
The Lion what?
King.
I've never heard of him.
It's a movie.
I haven't seen it.
Me either.
You've got to be kidding me.
How about a rapping boat? A hip-hop yacht?
Yuck.
We could have them write the theme song.
Good idea. We'll have them run it on all the radio stations we own. People will not be able to get away from this film. This will be the summer of boats.
The Summer of Boats.
We got it, Johnson.
What if when the boats are happy, their propellers spin around like a dog wagging its tail? It'll make a great toy.
Genius. Did I tell you she's a genius?
You did, sir.
Get a memo to merchandising. You're gonna want this out by Christmas.
Christmas? We don't even have a movie yet, just that stupid poster.
That stupid poster tested through the roof, thank you very much.
With who? Can I see that?
Hey!
Can I just take
No,
a
no, he's right. He's right. We don't have a movie here.
Thank you, sir.
We have a fucking franchise.
Jesus Christ.
I was thinking the exact same thing.
Sure you were.
Boats 2, cruise control.
Sunken boats.
Ghost boats.
Oh, that would be good for Halloween. We'll tie it in with candy.
Which ones?
All of them.
Cha-ching!
Make money, money, make money, money, money.
Up high.
No! What is wrong with you people? All you care about is money. What happened to the good old days when it wasn't about selling anything other than the movie? You know why I took this job? Because this studio used to put out classic after classic, and yeah, they made money, but they made money because they were good. No, because they were great. We can get back there, guys. All we have to do is forget about the bottom line for 1 second and focus on putting back the one thing that matters. You know what that is?
Racism?
Misogyny?
Hidden sexual references?
No. Heart. And I promise you, once we do that, the people will come. It's a win-win. What do you say?
You know what I say? I could really go for a latte.
That sounds great.
I'd love a soy.
Johnson?
I'm on it, sir.
Oh, and Wright? You're fired.